Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow water kefir grains. Begin by rinsing grains gently with non-chlorinated water and preparing a sugar solution at a 1:4 ratio of sugar to water by volume. Add a slice of dried fruit or a pinch of mineral salt to provide nutrients. Stir until dissolved, cool to room temperature, then place grains in the jar and cover loosely to allow gas escape. Keep a regular schedule by straining and refreshing the sugar solution every 1 to 2 days to maintain healthy activity. Always reserve a small portion of the fermented liquid as starter for faster fermentation in the next jar. Rinse only when grains look slimy or discolored, and avoid hot water which can damage them. Store spare grains in a sugar solution in the fridge for short breaks from brewing. If your kefir tastes overly sour or the grains shrink, reduce fermentation time or add a bit more sugar to the solution for a milder result. Cloudy liquid and occasional sediment are normal, but discard any batch with fuzzy mold or rotten odors. Keep tools and jars glass or food-grade plastic, and only use wooden or plastic spoons when handling grains to protect them from metal reactions and contamination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.